This is Hope Central, the Adventist Broadcasting Network of the Central Luzon Conference. The good news is the church is growing. The Fruit Mexico Seventh-day Adventist Church held its groundbreaking ceremony here in Mexico, Pampanga, February 21, to express their desire for a new building that will be more conducive for worship and other church activities. Architect Ariel Austria presented a building plan which will involve total renovations, making the one-floor building two-floor. The program was well attended both by Adventist and non-Adventist, including the barangay officials of San Antonio, Elena Kaying, an owner of Washington Distillers in San Fernando, Pampanga, Lourdes Sicat, the Mexico Municipal Councilor, and the Mayor Teddy Tumang, who inspired the attendees by saying that the government is one with them with this project.
Tayo po ay isang pamilya, magkakaiba lang paniniwala, no, po, pero iisa lang po tayo.
Meanwhile, Pastor Romeo Mangaliman, the North Philippine Union Conference Communication Director, related to church history, which was established in 1935 through the efforts of the pioneers. Pastor Carmelito Galang Jr., the President of Central Luzon Conference, conveyed the message that human beings plan, but the church or God guides. The head elder of the church, Ben Bermejo, said that the project will involve 2 million pesos, a big amount to raise. But this amount will be ready because of the faith and effort of church members.
Kung itatanong po kung saan magagaling, ito po ay ibibigay sa amin ng Panginoon. Sa aming mga pananampalataya ng mga kapatiran. Kahit po ang mga kapatid dito ay hindi gaanong sagana sa pera, pero kami nananampalataya na maraming biyaya ang darating sa amin.
Kaying, who is a non-Adventist, expressed that she supports the project because of Pastor Noel Galang, who inspired her to deepen her faith in God.
Si Pastor Galang, ang unang natutuhan ko ang salita ng Diyos. Kanya lumakas yung aking sampalataya sa Panginoon sa pamamagitan ng isang Seventh-day Adventist na pastor, at natutuhan ko rin na maging malakas ang loob sa araw-araw na sitwasyon sa buhay.
The story of Mexico Adventist Church is not only a story proving the faith of the church members, but this is a story proving what Ellen G. White wrote once, saying that even non-Adventist members would be involved in making church programs run. I am Armand Perez Tolentino, bringing you the latest from Mexico, Pampanga, for Hope Central CLC.